You do get used to it.
This is David, and this is True Blue, and company is?
Bluewater Boats.
Bluewater Boats. Excellent. Thank you, David. Give us a quick tour.
So electric propulsion.
Oh, look, you've got a stand over the motor. What a brilliant idea.
Yeah, it's not the strongest of casings on the motor, so just put a little stand over there to protect it.
That's a brilliant idea.
Yeah,
I know
a lot of people wouldn't think of doing that.
Stepping down into the engine room, it's clear Bluewater have an attention to detail here we're not used to seeing. Vida's motors have a flimsy plastic cover which protects the underlying electric circuit boards. Bluewater built a steel plate to cover the motor. This not only protects the motor but also makes it easy to get in and out of the engine bay. Nice work. Take a look at how neat these electrics are as well. They are immaculate. Now, I'm not a fan of having so much of the electrical system in the engine room, which can get very damp and suffer from enormous temperature variations. Bluewater added a rod handrail on this boat instead of the more usual folded steel rail along the top of the roof. While it's comfortable and secure to hold, one big downside of this arrangement is it will let anything on the roof fall off into the water. There's a lovely doggy wash hose on the rear deck too. And check out those buttons below the throttle. This makes sounding the horn and turning on navigation tunnel lights a breeze. This is possibly the neatest electrical wiring we've seen on a boat. This is what your boat wiring should look like to meet RCD standards. All the circuits are clearly labelled, and each circuit not only has breakers but also power isolation switches. Bluewater also installed a 3600 watt isolation transformer, which is surely the best way to connect a boat to shore power. You need a galvanic isolator or an isolation transformer, and this is the best.
Sue's exploring the kitchen and drooling.
Wow.
What are you seeing?
I'm seeing the washer right here, easy to get to.
Right.
I'm seeing the big storage that goes all the way to the back.
Yep.
And easy to get to. I'm seeing trash.
Trash drawers.
That's
rubbish drawers. You're in the wrong country.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Rubbish drawers. And I'm seeing the refrigerator. Oh.
Yeah, and that's the difference with us. Everything is handmade, so we use every inch of space.
No, I haven't tried the dinette yet. How's it seat?
My feet are touching the floor.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Why is that not normal?
The square shower provides plenty of space in the bathroom, and it's a roomy enough layout to feel comfortable. I like the hinge shower doors here too.
Because it just flops right down.
It's
and
like
you have
something like that, you know,
yeah.
Even that little bit of corner storage, we put a little access.
Very nice touch, because
that is a nice touch.
Because you can actually just you only need to open one door,
right? Practically.
And it's quite
just easier for cleaning that with both doors. You can get in and give it a good cleaning.
Fan.
Another bow bed with undergunnel lighting next to it, and there's also some reading lights at the end there. You do have to climb over the bed to get out of the bow, but there's a good access hatch in the roof as well. I do like the side tables here, somewhere else to put your phone and glasses. You can see all 18 boats in our Narrowboat Buying Guide, parts 1 and 2 on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.